Hey there, Leslie here. Well, here's another question for you. Are you passion driven or are you profit driven as you look at going into the paralegal field? I've had people say to me that I need to make a transition from a very high paying job to the paralegal field, and I can't make less than I did. There's no way I can do that. I've had people say my motive for going into the paralegal field is to make dollars and make money in order to pay my bills. The problem with that is when you're profit driven in the beginning, you're not going to make a lot of money when you start out. And not the money that you think or that you're researching on Google. That's bogus. So the way to make more money is, do you have to be passion driven? I mean, I didn't even know if the legal field was my passion when I entered in. So it became that, and I enjoyed actually working trials. Didn't matter what area of law I was in, really. I really loved preparing, still do, preparing for trial. So that's my own personal choice, and that's what I discovered. So it became a passion. What is the passion for you about this career? That's numero uno for you. That should be number one, because you will not make all that much above minimum wage when you start. I don't care if you have a PhD in paralegal studies, because the attorney knows what you don't know at this point. And they are not in the business of running a school or teaching you. So the more that you know, the more money you can make, the more knowledge you have. And what kind of knowledge? How to assist the attorney the right way, how to help the attorney every single day. So do you know how to do that? That's the question. And do you know what the paralegal duties are in several different areas of law where there are currently jobs open? No? Then that's what you have to change. So go to paralegalcoffeetalk.com and get the free, no-charge playbook under the Paralegal Resource Hub tab. Hover over that, you'll see the playbook. Sign up, download it today, and go to one of the pages in the middle of the page. You'll see how to research paralegal duties, learn how to perform some of those duties, and then keep pushing yourself to do more and more and more in those areas of law, and you will hit a home run. So keep going, but you can't ask for more money unless you get that knowledge up, okay? Have a great day.